me and Dylan will be reviewing this. But the thing is, he's just gonna watch me eat it, and he's not gonna eat it. Alright. And this random Mexican lady is here too. Say hi, random Mexican girl. It's Esmeralda. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Elena.
Alright, let's go.
How dare you call me Mexican?
Oh my god. I'm
You're
cold.
like 4 years old. How do you know how to talk? I'm only 6 years old.
I got Nutella and Oreo in there. Say hi, Esmeralda. Anyway,
I'll
let's go.
fuck myself. I'll fuck myself a bunch.
How was it?
I didn't try it, so I don't know. How about that? Esmeralda, or the Explorer, or Far Far.
Cornball. Ten out of 10.
I don't like that.